Hi, in this video I will show how to use Evtx Viewer to show what is inside of Evtx file. Basically, Evtx file is a system event stored into zipped format, and for example, like this file, 2 MB file contains over 3,000 events in it. So to download Evtx Viewer, I will go to this website. I will leave website into description, and I'll click on search and type Evtx. And yes, I need this Evtx page. Click on Evtx Viewer or click on download button right here. And then I click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next, install, click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see I have a new application installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this. So there are two ways to use Viewer. I can double click on it and then select input file. Click on select input file, navigate to my Evtx file and open it. And you can see 3,000 records, and it basically showing everything at once. With all data in it, it can get with all different fields for different type of events. And also I can export into a Word document, CSV, text, and different formats as well. And there is another way to use this application. If I go to my documents, right click on the Evtx file and click on open with, and we'll wait until it will load the screen, and then I click on more apps, scroll all the way down, click this always use this app for open Evtx file, and click on this look for another app on your PC. Then I go to C program files x86, then scroll down to White-Rock software, and then click on Evtx Viewer and click on Evtx Viewer. Click open. And now every time I click on Evtx files, I got it opened into Viewer right away. And you can see I have everything in it, all data, and I can export this into different formats. I can filter if I want to find anything in here and so on. So yeah, basically that's it. It's a free app. Please give it a try when you have a chance. That's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. And if you'd like to see more applications like this and more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, I will be recording more Evtx videos on converting to different formats like PDF, JSON, SQL. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.